The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G series deserves AT&T 5G. Fast, reliable, secure. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, and Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. With a striking design in a modern haze finish and integrated metal camera. Watch, scroll, and relive your best moments on a smooth 120Hz display. All while the adaptive 120Hz refresh rate helps for smooth scrolling and conserving battery. And the intelligent blue light management adjusts based on time of day. Take photos and videos like a pro and capture incredible share-ready moments with the multi-lens camera. Get creative with Director's View that lets you switch between camera angles in real time and record both front and rear cameras simultaneously. Single Take AI lets you create short and shareable GIFs, movies, and more, all in one take. Plus, you can zoom in from afar or magnify details of something nearby with Space Zoom. Built with hyper-fast processing speeds for great performance and a large intelligent battery that intuitively manages your usage. Get creative, do things your way, and stay connected with AT&T 5G. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, and Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G